Hi guys, it's Ray. Tonight I am just doing a quick project. I do have a longer video for this product coming. It's just not ready yet, but it's the Resin Polyurethane Resin. This has like a 2-minute working time. It dries white, and it's just a very unique product. So I'm going to mix up 240 mLs, 120 of each. This product is a super low viscosity. It's very, very thin. It's like pouring water. And it sets up in like 10 minutes. So that was 120 of B, and this will be 120 of A. So, and you'll see how quickly this mixes. You basically stir it long enough for it to do the stringy thing like regular epoxy does, and then to go back to clear. And it starts to get hot real fast. But that is basically already mixed. And I'm going to put some epoxy pigment in. I found that this works fine with this, so it's the only kind of additive I've tried. Keep in mind though, it's not going to dry the color you mix in the cup because it does dry white. So I'm going to set my cup to the side just for a second because I don't want to put my mold on top of that. So my mold is the monthly calendar mold. I've been wanting to make myself one of these. I see a hair, but I don't know where it is. Okay. So it's just resin pigment. It says it's good for epoxy resin and UV resin. It seems fine in this application. So we are 4 minutes into this video, which means we are 2 minutes into when I started to mix this. And you should start to see a change pretty rapidly, typically from somewhere in the center out. So I'm going to put us on a time lapse and you can watch it change. Okay, so we are almost to the 10-minute mark. This is still going to be pretty soft. It's pretty warm. But in theory, it should be demoldable at 10 minutes. So I'm just going to see if I can carefully peel it. So That looks beautiful. I don't want to write right on this one because it is so fresh. This is just a tray that I poured in that stupid mold that's messed up that I've since thrown away. But you can write on it like your whiteboard. I would like to fill in the lines, but I don't know what paint is going to wash back off of this. So I'm not even going to attempt that for at least 24 hours. And I'll probably like practice on here again. But yeah, this product is pretty cool if you need something out the door quickly. I have seen a couple other people use this product. I know it's been around. I just finally got around to ordering some. I did find a black one on Amazon, but they show a smaller kit, but I haven't found a smaller kit for purchase anywhere, because black would be cool for all those things that you do the backside of black after you put like micas on them, or if they're the holographic type ones. So I would like to get my hands on some of the black. There is a version out there that is clear from a different company as well. But if you're a mold maker and you need things done fast, or if you're into painting any kind of sculptural work, this is an option as well. Yeah, I just think it's pretty neat how quickly you can complete something. So that is it. It's just a monthly calendar. You fill it in yourself. It says this month, and then you fill in your days and stuff. I wanted it for in my room. I do have the weekly one you saw me make a little bit back. But I also wanted the monthly one done. So it's finally done. So that is it, and I will see you next time.